Got the head reassembled. I put all new intake valves in from Integrated Engineering and reused the springs and retainers. Didn't have to do anything with the exhaust valves, but cleaned the crap out of the intake ports though. I mean, they were so bad. I mean, this is 100 times better than it was. It was so bad. But everything is good. New valves are in. They all seal up. They seat fully. Lapped them all in. So we're good to go now. Start putting it back on the motor. Did some work getting the block deck cleaned up. Got it nice and clean. These are just mostly stains here, but cleaned up the pistons a lot. They were really carboned up. Really bad. Very, very small nicks here from where the valves hit. So nothing crazy. Pistons are still good. They're in good shape. Cylinder walls look phenomenal. Like always. And our Volkswagen blocks wear really well. You rarely see block issues. Unless there's a catastrophic damage or ring gets damaged and causes scoring. But other than that, she's ready to go on. Got the timing chain off. Kind of hard to see, but still have the balance shaft chain and guides, and I'm not touching those. But I'm gonna put new guides on, put a new tensioner on, and get everything timed back up. So now I just gotta get the head back on.